I hear you, but I'm going to deal with the Wi-Fi situation. I don't like Wi-Fi was the, you know, me I think for the every time him get me link for the flow people them. Not true. If he get me link, man when get up. When he wake up, I come in and want to make no noise I'm head and him asleep. But me I say see I make me get a link with Flow or Digital because me now live up here so. And the pandemic something yeah and signal problem and depend. Can you hear me now? You can see me? It a pick up? No, I'm not go through that. So when he get up, I go ask him. But the thing is this, man can't go dentist no. As in get up and him stubborn. I never see somebody, me they think me stubborn or him stubborn. Yeah. Yeah, him have a toothache. Him have a toothache. You don't want him, man, give me. Yeah, he have a bad toothache, guys. I can't stay in the house with. I can't go to the dentist this morning, so I wait for him because I forgot to do my ear. But I want to go because when we use excuse and I want to go to the dentist. Yeah, me see it. Before you talk about that, you know, cause me want to clean my teeth too. I want to clean my teeth too, but female more bad because it hurt him and it hurt him bad, me I tell you. So what I want to do, I want to go. Hey, happy new week. Bless yourself, baby. Thank you. Morning, I feel like him go try to tell me some excuse. So yeah, I thought down with him because me now go take the ball in about the TTA business, right? And afterwards now I got clean mine because me want to go to dentist too, you know, but I'm afraid of dentist. So yeah, if him hold on, let me make this one out. Yeah, I'm not like you.
Right. June. Holy.
I can't wait. I can't wait. Who nice like queen in a month?
Yeah, man, me have a burn off a stretch on our time them too, man.
Up on one other lane, but up on one local lane here, so she part a signal I pick up. It come like a signal lane, this can be a signal run at this lane here. Which, right? Come here and say, yeah, good, it dead. But it's when you start rocky to the side. And I feel it, I grab on him, he say, no, miss, let me go. Let go on. And that,
Yo.
and that, I think it's good. So, but it have a TTA where bother me. I tell you, a TTA can kill me. And it me beg me, my ball for my dog, my ball for the rat, my ball for the cow, my ball for the drunkard in the sky when the teeth start hurt me. I don't know, say God, no, I'm afraid of the dentist, I'm afraid to go. So I have a friend. I'm a friend, an old man, you know, him passed off, God rest his soul. And he said to me, say, you want to get out the teeth? If you want to get rid of the teeth, a man say, burn the cursing oil. Use the warm cursing oil and drop in at the teeth and smoke. Okay. The man said it will never hurt you again. Me I say, I like cursing oil, drag it down. You see me? So me have to do now is go to dentist and make them finish, just take it out. Never, ever, ever at me. Me no, he tell me, you know, he said the nerves were in the teeth, he said dead meat. Never ever at me again.